What's up, everybody? It's Dr. Scott with the Full Body Fix. Today, I'm going to be doing a review of my Baratza Burr coffee grinder. Today, we say thank you for your service, Mr. Coffee, but you've been upgraded. I don't usually comment on packaging, but that was extremely well packaged. So anyway, just 3 pieces, the main engine, the conical burr, supposed to bring out the aromas of beans and not heat them up. Cone for filling. And then I believe a couple of things here, a little cleaner, a few other little parts. All right, let's put it together. Okay, that was easy. Just washed the plastic parts. There's a little rubber gasket in here that took a little bit of fiddling with, but for the most part, pretty easy. And I'm ready to choose a grind. So this has a grind setting. The higher the number, the coarser the grind. The lower the number, the finer the grind. So I always use single cup pour over. I'm gonna figure out which one I'm supposed to use by looking at their website. Okay, so the Chemex or single cup pour over style says 20 is the magic number. I'm gonna give it a little test with some Greater Goods coffee roasters I got from Siete, and we'll see how it goes. Not too loud. I think that's pretty appropriate. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a whack because I guess some static electricity sometimes can hold on to the grinds. Let's see what we look like here. That looks pretty close to what I normally do, maybe a little bit finer. So maybe I'll dial that toward a higher number and see if I can get a little bit coarser grind, but that looks pretty darn good. And it smells amazing. All right, my final thoughts on the Baratza Encore Burr grinder I got off of Amazon. Check it out. It is a little bit pricey, definitely an upgrade from the old standard blade grinder. The burr grinding really brings out, I think, a bit of a smoother overall profile of the coffee, as well as definitely a lot more aroma. So definitely a big fan. Check it out. I'll leave the link to the product in the description. It's been Dr. Scott with the Full Body Fix. We'll see you next time.